In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. If you haven't already done so, open your browser and head over to the Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll see the Sign In button. Give that a click. Now you'll want to input your login details, including your email and password. After you've entered that information, go ahead and click Next. Once you're all logged in, we'll be heading over to the Calendar section. If you look at the top left corner of your Outlook interface, you'll notice a menu with various options. Among them, you'll find Calendars. Click on Calendars to open that section. Now, the calendar interface will appear, and here you have a couple of choices for scheduling a meeting. You could select a specific date by clicking on a blank space within your calendar, but for the simplicity of today's tutorial, let's focus on using the New Event button. Clicking New Event is your next step, and this will open up the event creation window. Now, it's time to add a title to your meeting. This is a simple caption that will let all attendees know the focus or purpose of your meeting. It's always best to keep the title brief yet descriptive. Once you've decided on a fitting title, look for the option to add attendees. Start entering the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite, and Outlook will automatically recognize certain contacts for quicker entry. After you have added the attendees, it's time to schedule the date and time of the meeting. Carefully select the day and set the start and end times, ensuring there is no overlap with other commitments you or your attendees might have. Now, if this meeting happens to be an in-person event, there's an option to add a physical location. This is useful to provide specifics like the building and room number where the meeting will take place. You'll also see a section for a description. While this is optional, it can be incredibly helpful to include any agenda points or information the participants might need in advance. This way, everyone's on the same page before the meeting kicks off. Once you've got everything set up the way you like it, go ahead and hit Save. This action will finalize your meeting invitation and send out a notification to everyone you've included as an attendee. Before wrapping up, take a moment to double check the date on your calendar. Ensure all details are correct and that the meeting appears just as you've scheduled it. This is a great way to catch any errors before your colleagues receive their invites. Once confirmed, every attendee will be notified of the event and you'll be all set to host your meeting. And that's it. You've now scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook with ease. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.